The RODE VideoMic Pro Plus is a shotgun mic that is designed for portable cameras like the Nikon Z6. There are a few ways to power this mic, but most likely you'll use the rechargeable battery method. Just insert the LB1 rechargeable battery into the microphone and connect the mic to the included micro USB charger. It should take about 3 hours to fully charge an empty battery. You can also use AA batteries if you'd like, or power it continuously through a micro USB connection. But based on RODE's specifications, the rechargeable battery will easily get you through a day's shoot. You can mount the mic directly onto the hot shoe of the Z6, which will probably be your go-to location for it most of the time. However, if you want to use the mic when the Z6 is mounted to the Moza Air 2, the microphone will interfere with the gimbal arms, so putting it on the hot shoe is not an option. In this situation, you can attach it to the Atomos Ninja V with a 3/8 to 1/4 inch adapter, which you would need to purchase separately. So let's keep it simple here and focus on the Z6 and the VideoMic Pro Plus. Slide it onto the hot shoe, tighten the mount thread, and plug it into the jack on the side of the camera. When you turn on your camera, the microphone will automatically turn on. Turn off the camera and the microphone shuts down. This is a great feature for two reasons. You can't forget to turn the mic on, ruining your audio, and you can't forget to turn it off, saving the battery. Let's turn it back on. There are two buttons on the back of the mic. The one on the left is a high-pass filter setting. Activate this if you want to reduce background noises like air conditioning units, motor hums, and wind. There's a high and low setting for this, so feel free to experiment. The button on the right is the output gain control. You can either leave it alone or press once for +20 or twice for -10 decibels. If you press both buttons together, you will activate the high frequency boost mode, which is meant to recover high frequency sounds that are typically lost or muffled when a wind cover is used. Finally, when the power and the output gain control buttons are pressed simultaneously, you can turn the right audio channel into a safety track, recording 10 decibels lower than the left track. You'll love this feature if you find yourself in a shoot where the audio is difficult to predict and occasionally peaks. For more information about the RODE VideoMic Pro Plus, be sure to visit rode.com.